This is the deliverable unit for 1 bedroom. It has a total of 36.36 square meter floor area. This is the living area, and this is the kitchen area. Here it has already cabinets, kitchen cabinets. This is the bathroom. This bigger space. And here is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. Just beside the bathroom. And also beside the bedroom is the laundry area. This one. This is the laundry area. There's a window already. You can see the laundry. It's the window. The window for the living area.